Today we are going to talk about some of the top hairstyle trends of 2020. Now that a new decade is here and we are looking to start fresh, I wanted to sit down and walk you through about some of the top hairstyle trends that you're going to see in 2020. Hairstyle number one is part your hair on the side. You know that this is one of my absolute favorite hairstyles and ways to wear my hair. So to see it that it is on the list of one of the top trends of 2020, it is so exciting. All you're going to do is part your hair to the either side that you like, and then you're going to take all of your hair and put it to the one side, and that is all for this hairstyle. Hairstyle number two, utilize your scarves. Scarves have been a huge trend last year, and it looks like they're going to be around this year as well. And it is a great way to add some interest into your hairstyle, to add some color to your outfit. And I have a lot of hairstyles that are using hair scarves on my Instagram account. So if you would like to see those, you can follow me there as well. Hairstyle trend number three are bubble ponytails. We all wear ponytails, so why not add some interest into them by adding these little ponytails and making them look as bubble. Hairstyle trend number four is braiding your hair. Braids have been around for so long and they are here to stay. You can braid your hair all the way to the back, you can braid it to the side, and you can also separate your hair and incorporate two braids in your hair. Hairstyle trend number five is long hair. It's refreshing to see that this year is going to be all about long hair. And if you don't have long hair, the easiest way to add length and volume to your hair is with hair extensions. Let me know in the comments below which hairstyle trend are you excited about in 2020. And if you would like to learn more about hair toppers and how to keep your hair healthy, then check out some of these videos right here.